And what's up, guys? It's Stu TV. We got another video for you. And in today's video, we are going to be attempting to go full bolt-on. Also, I just got back from work. I worked from 5:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and then I slept 4 hours, and then I worked 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. and now I'm here. Now I'm home. I drove 2 hours home. Now I'm here. So I slept 4 hours in the last 24 or whatever. But yeah, so bear with me here, guys. I got a lot of shit to address, a lot of stuff to show you. In the Amazon bag, we have a spark plug gapper because we're going to be gapping our spark plugs to 0.24, which is for stage 2. Also in this video, we are going to be downloading the stage 2 tune onto the access port. We have to go to access port manager, do all that fun shit. I might show it, I might not. Stay tuned. Also in this video, I don't know which parts we're going to be installing, but I know one of them is going to be a Catless downpipe, which is going to make the car a little louder, it's going to sound a little better, and we go faster. I've also received ARM charge pipes. I've also received an ARM intake. So if you guys are interested in aftermarket parts for your German car, go to ARM Motorsports whatever. Click the link in the description below. Just go down there and click the link in the description below. Use the code STUTV10 for 10% off of everything on their website. Also click the link in the description, go cop some merch because that shit fire. All right, so I guess it's time to jump into the unboxing of this giant fucking box. Yo, look at all of this shit. This is why you guys should shop at ARM Performance, because obviously they take care of their packaging, make sure it's nice and safe, and they send you tons of shit for cheap. Alright, this is all the stuff they sent me, but most importantly, they sent me gummy bears, my favorite. Alright, we're going to go ahead and slap the sticker on the sticker stop sign, and boom, it's on just like that. That shit looks fire. We're going to go smallest to biggest. I believe this is the turbo inlet that they sent me for free. Yep. Right here it is. As you can see, there's a super smooth interior, allowing air to breathe through slowly. I don't even know how this goes in yet. Alright, next up is the charge pipes, I think. Oh yeah, I was right. There is mad charge pipes. Oh my, look at that. Those are gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot more work than I thought. Oh, that's for the turbo. Oh, but that's getting very involved. We'll do that maybe tomorrow. And this is the huge pain in the ass that I am very excited for. I am not even gonna lie, I did not realize how many parts there is to this. And this just looks like miserable to install, but it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. It's all right. All right, oh, calm down. My room was clean when I came in here, and now it looked like car parts puked everywhere. I know this looks like a whole bunch of important shit to install, but this is the most important part of everything. If you guys watched the last video like you should have, my car is pulling timing to prevent rod knock, so that's not a good thing. I think it is due to my spark plugs not being gapped at the correct parameters. So this is the most important thing before we install any of this. All right, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to take all the spark plugs out, re-gap them, and reinstall them. You guys don't really need to watch me do that. I'm just going to do it as quick as I can, and that'll be good, and then we can move on to the downpipe. All right, so it took me about a half an hour, just because I wanted to make sure everything was good. I re-gapped all the spark plugs. Now it's time to start it up. I'm going to leave my phone out here so you guys can see what it's going to sound like at the end when we put the downpipe on. This is definitely not a cold start, but this is what the car sounds like before the downpipe. I got the car up on jack stands, sorta. It's huge. We need bags. So I'm gonna take the skid plate off, and then I'll get back to you guys. So here is the downpipe, and then I did not realize that the kit that comes with the downpipe also deletes the resonator. So this bitch is gonna be way louder than I expected. Okay, I have absolutely no idea how to do this, but that is the downpipe right there. It connects to a bracket. I think there's 4 bolts on it, and then we follow it back here. The flex pipe is right there, and then we keep following it down. So we'll have to take off this, and then obviously. All right, at this moment I fucked up. I didn't realize that I was going to have to slide the drive shaft over, but yeah, we did that. I don't even know if I recorded. Take out the hangers, and then it follows all the way down to there. Oh, wait. That's not a resonator. Wait, that's a resonator. Is this a cat? Is there 2 cats on this? All right, I know what you're gonna say. I don't know German cars yet. Give me a break. Muffler's back there. Hold up. Hold the phone. Okay, we professionally removed that shield. In layman's terms, I broke the fuck out of it, and now it's gone. I don't really know what to do next, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, this is the current situation of the car. Derek came over to give me a hand, dude. Wow, stunning.
I also blew up my Daza.
Oh yeah, Derek blew up his Daza, just like I blew up my Daha. We're like blowing up Audi brothers, dude.
Yeah, we're blowing brothers.
So you use the OEM V-band clamp, and then it obviously V-band here, and then it connects down at the resonator. We discovered after much confusion that they also give you an extra 3-inch piece as opposed to the regular 2.5, because I'm still running the stock resonator.
That's actually 2.5, but
oh, this is
a 3-inch exhaust.
What?
Like that's 3-inch.
This is 3-inch.
Well, this is 2.5, and this is 2 1/4. This is 2.5 that goes into 2 1/4, and this is 3-inch.
Yeah, that's what I said.
This is
3-inch to 3-inch. Is this 3 inches? Yeah, that's like, this is 3-inch to 3-inch, and this is 3-inch to 2.5. I want to say, or 2 1/4. Whatever it is, it plugs into the OEM piping, because I'm still stock resonator. The current problem we're having right now, though, is that the OEM pipe is all welded flush. There's no V-band clamps. There's no phalanges or anything. It's just welded straight to it. So we have to cut the downpipe as close as we can, so we can sneak it out of the bottom or the top, whatever it works, and then put that in, because there's no way we're gonna get that stock exhaust up through or slide it down through. It just won't work. There's not enough room. Dude, start looking for the Sawzall. We are downloading the stage 2 burble tune to the car, and still haven't gotten any progress with the downpipe, because we have to drop the drive shaft, move the drive shaft, and we're waiting for tools. Yeah, dude.
all these guys came here to see, guys and girls. It's he, she, it's they, them. Came here to watch Solomon fail.
All right, we finally got it out. Cody's over here fucking with it. That thing is gigundo, but we gotta slap this little baby back bitch in.
What?
And then, you know, be rocking with it.
Yeah, what are you gonna do about it?
Yo, peep the drip. Thanks for helping out, Derek. We're both fucking soaked. Actually, everybody in here is soaked. We put the downpipe in. Catless downpipe. Cat delete. Where's the old ones?
Somewhere in the mosh pit.
What'd you do? But anyway, we're gonna get the first start up on this real quick. So I'm gonna get someone to record. Jonah, you wanna record?
That's really quiet.
Yeah, that's
No, that's
really
that
fucking
is not quiet. It's not fucking quiet.
Oh, here we go.
You're gonna have a problem, bro.
Oh, that's warming up.
Fucking vampire in a rainstorm.
I thought it was gonna be a little louder.
It doesn't need to be in the loud.
Fuck it.
That kid don't sound bad.
No.
You doing a rev?
Okay.
Ooh, a little pop. Get into it. Put it in sport mode. Put it in sport mode.
Alright, I'm low-key pissed because that shit's quiet as fuck.
It's not quiet!
Did anybody actually get a video though?
No!
Damn, you should send it to me. You fucking scumbags.
In all fairness,
Alright, but that shit's quiet as fuck. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't. It sucked. Peace out. Go to the link in the bio. Buy some merch. I would add all of your Instagrams, but that's so fucking hard. Y'all
follow me on OnlyFans.
Channel.
Oh, yeah, sure. Click the link in the bio. If you guys want ARM parts, go to the website. It's STUTV10. You get 10% off of everything on the website. And yeah, buy some merch.
Follow, bitch.
Peace out. Also, I would like to add that I know there is a lack of polls and footage of the car performing under full bolts on in this video, but I am thinking about doing a video, like a reaction video of my mom, like a ride along with my mom, like her reaction to my full bolt on A3. So wait for that one.